Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fluent English Speaking with Morani. I hope you are doing well and practicing spoken English every single day. So today I am going to discuss about how much it will take time to speak in English fluently. So many people are asking how much time will take fluently speaking English. So friends, I can say if question it is, the answer is it ups to you, because if you practice more time you can learn spoken English less time, but if you practice less time then it will more time. For example, your friend practicing every day in 1 hour and you are practicing in 10 minutes, so who will become fluent speaker firstly? Of course your friend. So that is, and you are watching so many videos, people are saying you can learn English in 1 week or 2 week or 1 month. Do you believe in this? If you believe in this, so friends, you are going to prove wrong very shortly, because you can't speak in English in 1 week or 1 month. Yeah, of course you can improve, but you can't speak fluently. Of course, who has the environment? If you have the environment for spoken English, all the people around you speak in English, then you can speak in English in 1 week or 1 month. If you are English medium student since childhood, you can speak in English in short period of time. But if you don't have the environment, then you can't speak in English within 1 month or within 1 week or 2 weeks. People are saying because they want to money. Because if I write in a thumbnail, speaking English in 6 months or 1 year, you can't play the video. But if I write in thumbnail, you can learn speaking English 1 week. You of course play the video. Then they get more views and they earn money. And they make fool you. But you can't understand. You go the video and play the video. Guys, it is not possible. It is absolutely impossible. If 1 week you can practice and you will improve. If you will not improve, you can continue. Don't give up. Because consistency is the key of success. Not only learning spoken English, anything. If you put your effort continuously, then you can successful in every field. If you are a sports person, if you are a singer, if you are an actor, anything you can say. But if you think you can get success without hard work and without effort in 1 week easily, it is not possible. You have to put your hard work and effort for a long time. So how much time it will take, it completely depends upon you. Because if I say the time will take 1 year, you get confused. 1 year. But if you do hard work consistency, you can realize after 1 year, 2 years, just you can't actually imagine the time is flying, month is flying, years is flying, and you will realize one time, yeah, I spent 1 year with English language. So please don't think about the result. Lord Krishna says that you do your work, you do your karma, result automatically come. So don't think about result much more. You do your karma, you put your hard work, you put your effort, then you can see one day you will speak English fluently. It will take time. Learning anything, not only spoken English language, not only language learning, anything. If you learn anything, if you learn business, if you learn handicraft making, if you learn anything, teaching, this is dancing, singing, whatever you learn, it will take time. I think this video is helpful. If it is, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. Have a good day.